Follow my vlog. My name is Rikshawali. Okay, thank you.
Yo Rickstars! It's YouTube Fan Fest day and in the car right now, and I'm here with my girls Anuvrati and Arushi. They're all wearing the Love Punch t-shirt, by the way. Focus on the Love Punch t-shirt, but your hair is there, yes. So we're on our way to Geo Gardens and much excitement. Guys, are you excited?
Yes, very.
Even I'm excited, by the way. So hosting the YouTube Fan Fest red carpet is also kind of like, oh my god, like it's pretty crazy because it's gonna be all live and all, so I'm a bit concerned and nervous, and I'm not sure if I'll, you know, say the names correctly. What if I like fall, or if I say something stupid, or if I don't know what it is, but I guess we'll figure it out. Anyway, so we're going there now. So there's some red carpet run through. We gotta get like ready. We have to have some final rehearsals. I also get to go on stage at the very end, so I'm very excited for that. Gonna get to meet all the creators. You're gonna see the venue, which is super amazing, by the way. I've seen it like 2 days ago, so now you're gonna see it again. Yeah, my name was Zo. Alright guys, I am here. I am at the YouTube Fan Fest venue, and this is the stage. Look at this, how awesome, dude. This is huge, and it's very hot, guys. It's like super warm. Like, I'm especially wearing shorts today because I was like, I can't really handle this heat here. There's a lot of big screens on the right, middle and the left over there, and then stuff on stage. So as I told you before, so I will be able to go on stage also at the very end of this whole thing. So what do you guys think of this so far?
It is so amazing. Amazing, I'm so excited.
Isn't it? It's so exciting. We're like, this is Fan Fest 2017, guys. And it's just awesome. We're gonna check out the red carpet now. Stay with me for that. Risha, guys, is part of the vlog fest right now. We are vlogging together.
Vlogging each other.
And we're vlogging each other.
But hey, it's YouTube Fan Fest. Do you know how many people will be here with their vlogging camera?
I think we're not the only
We're
ones
the
for
first
sure.
ones. But
Yeah, we're the first ones in the morning because nobody has come here so far. Are you excited?
no, yeah, chi, yeah.
You're not
What
excited? एकदम गंदा होने वाला है. It's very bad, boring.
No
एकदम,
excited.
but कोई आने ही नहीं वाला. And this is the red carpet, guys. This is gonna be all the red carpet. I don't know exactly from where we will stand, but that's basically it. Okay, we're gonna walk there now and do all of this. Man, गर्मी इतनी कि मैं क्या बताऊं, दिमाग खराब हो गया है. I'm here on the red carpet, guys, just to check out this place. So this is pretty awesome, guys. I can't believe I'm back here. 1 साल के बाद वापस YouTube red carpet पे Fan Fest. It's like क्या बात है, क्या बात है. But this is the coolest part here. See this huge Fan Fest का logo. Yeah, it's a red carpet, as I said. And it's me with my hat and my very very reflective glasses. मुझे पता है बहुत सारे लोग ने कमेंट किया है कि ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा reflective है मेरे लिए, so इसके लिए. So this is kind of what is happening right now, and yeah, now we're gonna go and check out the rest of the venue. So we sneaked on the stage. We just wanted to just check out the place and check out the venue. Guys, this is Casey.
How's it going? So exciting.
I know.
Look at this gorgeous stage.
I know, guys. You didn't even see this yet. This is insane. Okay, guys, time to get ready and get out of this whole sweat and get my hair done. So my hair still looks a bit messy, but we have Mumbai ka Nikhil here. And it's your first time Fan Fest, right?
Yes, first time, everything, red carpet and all the stage.
And are you excited?
Very, very excited.
Okay, I think they're starting, guys. Anyway, so we'll see you guys later, alright? So we were just briefed about the red carpet, and yeah, it's again the heat has come more and more every time. Anyway, so now I have to go and get ready. I still have to eat. It's like, I don't even know, it's 2 o'clock now. By 3 I have to be ready. And we had a small dance sequence on stage at the end for the Tamma Tamma final dance, which I'll be on stage. So it's so exciting. And some fans have started coming in, whom I said hi to. So hi to all the fans who I said hi to when I was rehearsing on the red carpet. But yeah, guys, 1 hour to go, and it's gonna be stressful and crazy. Like, by the way, Badrish is here too. Badrish, say hi.
Hello.
Yeah, and he's wearing the Love Punch t-shirt too. Love Punch. We have been briefing together and working together and sweating together. Sounds very awkward and weird, but doesn't matter. Okay, guys, I'm already set in my dress for the red carpet. This is happening. I have like hardly 2 minutes. I don't really know. Super excited, super nervous, everything at the same time. They're like screaming at us, and I'm like, ah. Okay, guys, wish me luck. बहुत झूठी है।
That's unique. It's unique, for sure.
I have a suspicion that this is a terrible idea. Oh, but salt?
1, 2, 3. So it's over. It's very dark now. The red carpet is done, and look, all my friends. They're insane. I don't know them actually. I paid them to say this. Oh my God, Torraj! So anyways, it was so much fun. Thank you to all of them that they came. You guys didn't even see me, right? We got on top of the queue and got yelled at. You got yelled at? You got yelled at? Okay, did you see it?
Everything, all of it.
This is my first time seeing the rickshaw wali. I love her.
Yeah, thank you so much. What about you, Torraj, Nicole, Lynn? What do you guys think? We love it!
We love rickshaw!
Okay, this guy definitely paid. वो इतना नहीं चलाएगा मुफ्त में, you know. 500 हाँ नहीं कितना 500 नहीं I think 100 में करते ना 100 रुपए में
भैया ये शर्ट मेरा है ना फिर बाद में
हाँ नहीं रख लो Yeah, now you know I'm paying all my fans and friends as well. That's it from my friends, and now I'm going to go and chill and then going to be on stage. There's a lot going on, so we're just waiting right now for the end to go on stage now and then just dance to Damma Damma. Literally that's what it is. So I'm just hanging out. I need to eat. I'm very low energy because there wasn't really like a lot of food I could eat because there was just no time for it, and also hardly water. But now I'm going to just check out a little bit how everything is going on stage, and yeah, I'm going to check in with you guys later. Alright guys, I have Khaneez with me here. Okay, Khaneez and me have a long, like way long back.
We go way long back.
Yes, and like
2007. No,
okay, that's too much. No, 2000, I think 2010.
Yes.
2010, something like that. And I wasn't even having my channel back then. So she's the one actually who kind of got me more or less inspired to do something. But so awesome. After so many years, we're still here. And okay, so by the way, we are planning a collab. Khaneez will be in my rickshaw.
Yes.
So we're gonna figure it out, guys. So I'm very much excited.
I'm very excited.
So what do you think we can do together?
We can do, what can't we do together?
What
question.
can't we do? Oh yeah,
Maybe
exactly.
if you fancy give some suggestions.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh god! We got photo bombed just now by Sunmay.
Video bomb.
Video bomb. Video bomb. Are you video bombing? And now he's leaving. Is that it, Sunmay? That's it.
Bye.
Bye.
I see a camera and I can't help it.
Oh, is that you? It's drawn.
Do you have anything to say?
You say something.
No, I just want to be in the background.
Okay, there's nothing to say.
So you're background artist? Background artist? Yeah. He's just staying. Basically, we paid him to stand there and do nothing.
paid him
And so he's wearing a very nice blue color, so it looks really nice in the frame. Now he's behind me. Wait, what?
And he's
Now he's disappearing. He's leaving. Okay, that's.
Do
that
not
was
look
end.
at the screen.
Oh God!
Only
Now
look
this
at the-
he
Don't
does.
look at the screen. That's the wrong way to vlog. If
What?
you look at the screen, there's no eye contact. It's not intimate. But now it's intimate because the screen isn't there.
But you, how do you know that it's actually like you're in the frame? Because I'm holding it. I
I'll
can
tell
see.
you why. Because you just have to centralize and you can kind of see
Wow,
your
he's really
reflection.
good.
He's a natural,
Wow.
guys. A
Wow.
natural. Full on natural.
That's right.
Thank you. That was Abish teaching me how to use a camera. Literally.
Let's get back to the screen.
Okay, let's get back because I can't do it. I'm not as like professional as him and talented. Yeah,
No, let's, if you're a fan of any suggestions of what we can do together.
Yeah, so guys, let us know in the comments
Let us
below
know.
what we should do together on the channel. What do you guys suggest? We should do a skit.
And
a
don't be
challenge.
dirty.
Yeah, no dirty, guys. Nothing dirty. We'll do something very nice, fun, cute.
Yeah.
And yeah, going on stage now for in 5 minutes. So it's gonna happen now. So I think they're already on stage. I think we have to go. I don't know. Actually, I have no idea what's happening, but we're gonna find out now. There's Shirley. Say hi, Shirley. What's up? How are you feeling? I'm feeling great. She was amazing on the red carpet. And so was she. Amazing singer, amazing act. But you're still gonna sing again, right? I am. I'm just about to go on stage very soon. Yes, and we're gonna join her actually in the act. Basically, it's the ending act. Yeah. We are gonna dance and do our thing on stage. More dance. More dance, yeah. She's gonna sing, we're gonna dance. Because I can't sing, guys. We all know I can't sing. Guys, doesn't want to team up. Move on. Green patti in the back, guys. There's so many. And इतने सारे सब लड़के यार. यार, इतने सारे लड़के. 1, 2, 3. क्या लग रहा है? What happened?
मतलब last minute.
अच्छा, आपको जाना है, guys. आपको जाना है. Okay, how Oh man. Sahil,
Hi.
some last thoughts?
Hello.
Hello,
I'm
hello,
done.
hello.
I want to just go home. Actually,
Yeah.
no.
You did a fab job though.
No,
You did
thank
pretty
you.
amazing.
Thank you.
Whole posting, man, is not an easy job, man.
Tell me about it. Next year, it's going to be you.
Let's see. Don't worry.
Yes.
You're not very close to where you
Okay,
are.
very soon.
He's talking, he's very sweet. Alright, going home now. Oh, everybody's looking tired. Everybody's like, whoop, whoop. Time to go home. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna vlog when I'm home now because it's been a lot. Okay, bye. Okay, guys, I'm in my tent. By the way, this is my tent. It's pretty crazy. Everybody's sitting here also. Everybody's like waving while I'm saying bye. Everybody fast forward. अगर तुम सब करोगे सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Okay.
ठीक हो जाएगा
Okay.
सब ठीक हो जाएगा
Okay, guys.
हो जाएगा
So guys, make sure to give this video
सब ठीक हो जाएगा no too soon
too early. I'll tell you. अगर तुम सब करोगे तो सब ठीक हो जाएगा. हाँ, thank you. Learn from her.
सब ठीक
Oh God, not this.
सब ठीक हो जाएगा
सब ठीक हो
Subway
जाएगा.
sandwich
So this is it, YouTube Fan Fest 2017, guys. It was crazy and I'm tired, but it was so much fun. And yeah, I can't wait for you guys to see this vlog. Should be out. And then, guys, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet by clicking down here, because I make videos every Tuesdays and Fridays and you don't want to miss out. और अगर तुम सब करोगे सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Alright, bye.